Assalamualaikum. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to another video. Today I was you some colorful fish and their activities looking good. They're playing well. I want to watch you his activities. They are looking good. Oh yet, mashallah, I want to catch one. Oh, this is looking good. Mashallah. Oh, playing well. Oh, beautiful. This is very strong. This is lazy. This is lazy. Oh, so beautiful. Playing well. Mashallah. Looking good. Oh, yes. So beautiful. So beautiful. Looking good. They are taking algae from a stone. Wow. This is exciting. Exciting moment. I love this fish. I hope you love this fish. Wow. Playing well. Playing well. Very nice, very nice. Wow. Ting, ting, ting. Very nice, colorful, colorful. I want to catch another one. I want to catch who will come in my hand. Whoa, they both are come in my hand. Here, this is beautiful scenery. This is beautiful scenery. Oh, they are taking. Oh, all are come in my hand. Oh, sorry, friend. Today, no feed from me. Wow, looking good. Mashallah, taking. They are playing well. They're playing well. Come, oh, come. Oh, yes. Everyone come my hand. This is fantastic. It's fantastic. Oh, sorry, my dear. Sorry. This, oh. You take from his stone. You take feet from his stone. I will give next day another place. Wow. Playing well. They want to go from here. Looking good. This place is wall. They're beautiful. Looking this place. There's so many stone. How many stone? There is so beautiful. This peasant of fish are beautiful and attractive. This place. How are you? Oh yes, looking good, mashallah, playing well. They are coming into my hand. They what? Oh, everybody come. Oh, looking, and this bite from to my hand. Oh yes. Oh, mashallah, playing well. They are also come. They also come. Oh, thank you. Oh yes, beautiful scenery. They are taking oxygen from where? Uh, I don't disturb you. You take algae from a stone. They are taking algae from a stone. They are feeding from a stone. There some algae are grow in this place. They are taking this algae. This is looking good, mashallah. I hope you enjoy these videos. Oh, yet, playing well. Beautiful scenery. Good job. Oh, their flock. Oh, nice. They are taking algae and form it. What? Oh, yes. Hop. This take. Oh, yes. Just form it. Oh, hop. Whoa. This nice scenery. And they're gathering. In a place. This one want to go from here and come back. Not go. Oh, yes. They come into camera and give you hi. There one. Oh, under the stone. Oh, yet. Looking good, mashallah. Playing well. Beautiful scenery. Excellent. Whoa, whoa, the color is so beautiful. Like the golden color in here. Oh, yes. Yes, you're looking good. Mashallah, I want to catch big one. Oh, this is a big fish. This is a big fish. Oh, yes. Oh, another one. Attack me. Oh, save their paws. Oh, their unity is so beautiful. Their unity is so strong. I am astonished. I think you will astonize their activities. So your activities, they're coming to my hand. Oh, yet another one are playing well and taking LG. Yet beautiful. Oh, another one come. Mashallah, mashallah, playing well, beautiful scenery. Yet. I love them. I hope you're looking good. Mashallah, playing well. This is the place. Excellent scenery. Looking good. Mashallah. They are in some stone place blowing water currents. This is the beautiful scenery of this place. I love them. I hope you love them. Their activities are looking good. Mashallah, playing well. Oh, another will join them. Yes, come on. I want to watch you. Another one. Oh, look. Everyone, come on my hand. I think they're my, oh, tame. I think they tame. Oh, oh, looking good. Mashallah. Take LG. Yes. What is your name?
My name is Jishan.
Zisan. Oh, which class you read?
Class 5.
Oh, yes, mashallah. What is your school name?
Dupolpara Government Primary School.
Oh, yes. What is your headmaster name?
Saisam.
Saisamo. Oh, brave. Very good. You are intelligent boy. Oh, yes, they're playing well. Playing. Are you know me?
Business.
তুমি কি আমাকে চেনো?
G.
Oh, thank you. This is beautiful. See you next video, another place, another moment. Take care. Allah Tata. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.